Hi, I'm John Porter. I'm Strategy Coordinator for Older People in the Vale of Glamorgan. I link in, my role is to cover any area of service development for the 50 plus, but also to support the Vale 50 plus strategy forum. And I look at bringing the national agendas from Welsh Government to the Commissioner's Office to a local level with all service providers.
We're very grateful to the Vale Council because without their support we couldn't do the work that we do. And the work in the community that we do is so important to us. We hold several events throughout the year. We have an event in May, which is part of the Gwanwyn Festival. And then in October, we always celebrate International Older People's Day at different venues around the Vale. We also have various coffee mornings as well to make sure that the information that we receive goes out to as many people as we possibly can. We get some extremely good remarks back from members of the public how grateful they are that they're able to come and get the information that they need at an event that they understand.
I mean, the forum, again, work nationally with the Commissioner's Office and the Welsh Government, and they supported us and working with the Older People's Champion, who's the Deputy Leader of the Council, Councillor Egan, who's very supportive of the forum as well. We went forward to sign the Dublin Declaration. And that Dublin Declaration now has been signed by every single local authority in Wales, and what it means is that we've got 3-star rating from the European Commission on our ageing well in Wales, and also we're linked in with the World Health Organisation's Age-Friendly Communities and Cities project. The other thing the Vale Glamorgan Council are proud with the forum is their equality. They're very inclusive. They've worked closely with the LGBT community, including at one point having a transgender lady on the actual executive group. We've attended with the forum to and had a stall on 2 of the Pride events in Cardiff, and also the launch of the LGBT History Month in the Senedd. We also closely link with the BAME community through Race Equality First and Diverse Cymru.